Do you want to know how to add fun, animated GIFs to your Instagram comments? In this video, I'll show you all the steps you need to take in order to post those funny GIFs in the comments. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. After that, make sure you are using the latest version of the app. If you have an update available, go ahead and update your app, because this is a new feature Instagram added recently. Once you've done that, open up the app and then go over to the post where you want to post a GIF as a comment. After that, go over to the comments section. And now, if you have this feature available in your region, you should see the GIFs option over here. If you don't have this feature, like me, then you have to wait while Instagram pushes this new update to more people. Just make sure you are always using the latest version of the app, and eventually you'll get this feature in the upcoming weeks. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.